I would like to get inspired by tools made both for Unreal and for other softwares and show you how you can create your own versions of them. For instance, we could take Light Manager for Cinema 4D made by Autodesk. It is a simple tool that lists all lights and then lets you adjust parameters of them without having to go through outliner of the whole scene you have. There is also a very similar tool in Unreal. You can go to Window tab and scroll down to Environment Light Mixer, and there will be some panel with directional light, skylight, and some atmosphere settings. If you would like to create your own recreation that supports all light in the scene, not just this fog and so on, but literally all single point lights and rectangle lights that you have added to your scene, then you are watching a right section. Across a few videos, we will create this panel that lists all the lights and lets you control parameters like mm, maybe light color or the intensity. So now we can see this nice bluish point light, or maybe let's make it green. If it is enabled on the light, you will be able to change temperature or disable or enable casting shadows. Of course, you will have ability to pick categories or specific properties that you will be able to control, and those four are only an example. So, this is just an introductory video. In this section of the course, you will learn how to create a list view, and then this list view will be transformed into the tool that you have just seen. But list views are a broader topic, and there will be also so-called optional videos. That means that I will show you how to add or remove rows from your list. However, following those tutorials is not crucial to implement this Lights Manager. And that's it. I hope you are excited with this project. And if you have some spare time today, then jump straight into list view implementation.